Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. In today's video, not only are we going to unbox and set up the all-new 2023 edition of the X5 Tanggler, I'm also have a giveaway of one of these boxes. So you can have a chance to win one of these boxes. So let's get to it. So let's open this up. So this is the 2023 edition of the X5. Check out the specs here in the back. CPU, 64-bit quad-core. GPU is an MP2 GPU processor. It's got the memory is the DDR3, 4 gigs. The flash is 64 gigs / 128 gigs. Gotta check to see which one I got. I believe it's at 128, but we'll check it out. It's got a Wi-Fi 2.4, 5G. It's got the Bluetooth remote, one HDMI. So here's all the parts that's attached to the box. Let's open this up. It's got the nice velvet material on there. So I'm just going to put this aside for now. Manual, user guide. Another user guide. HDMI. Standard plug. You could order this box with a plug that fits your region. Remote control. Gives you instructions how to program these buttons right here. I do have a video how to program these buttons to your TV or soundbar. Check the description and I'll have the link there. Put this aside. Now let's open up this. So overall look, it looks identical to their older model. So you got your power, optical, HDMI. Looks like it's an AV port. LAN, USB, USB 3.0, and micro SD slot. Okay, now let's hook it up and test it out. We're at the box. It's booting up right now. Here we go. So it looks pretty much the same. I don't see anything much different here. So let's go to apps. Let's try to find the Tanggula app. I was told to go all the way to the bottom right here, TA Store. And here it is. So here's the two new Tanggula apps. And these apps are only available on the 2023 edition box. So we're going to download these two here. Should take a few seconds for it to download. Yes. We're going to hit done. Now we're going to go to the second one. I'm actually kind of surprised it's not preloaded already on the box once you receive the box. Hit install. Done. I don't think we need to go to activation, but you know what? I'm going to exit out of here. I'm going to add the apps down here. And let's find out if we open it, if it just works, or we need to activate it. Return out. So here's the two apps. As you guys could see, the app is red, not black, but I also was told this app is only available on this box, the 2023 edition. It is a different version compared to the older box. So we're just going to wait for it to load. So we don't need to do the activation. I guess it really comes activated with the box. Go to settings. I'm going to go to the bottom, switch device mode, TV, save changes. EPG not downloaded. So now let's go to refresh. Yes. Once again, this will take a few seconds for it to do the update. There we go. Downloaded. Exit out of here now. Let's exit out of here. Let's try the new app they just added. Allow. I believe this is their backup. This app is only available on this box, the 2023 edition. Device mode, here it is. Let's change it to TV. Save changes. Do the same thing, EPG. Oh, this one was downloaded, so that's perfect. So I like how they gave us a backup now. So let's check out the specs on the box. So we go to settings, device preferences, about. So over here, it is the X5 series. There's the model right there. It is an Android OS version is 11. Go to storage. So the memory is 4 gigs. So it does have the 128 gig of storage. So you could download quite a bit of stuff to this box. If you guys want one of these boxes, in the description, I'll have links where to get it. Okay, so in order to win one of these boxes, all you have to do is guess this winning number. You have to guess the number between 1 and 1,000. So let's spin the wheel. So guys, the only rule is you have to be subscribed to my channel in order to win this box. Put your answer in the comments below. Please don't edit your answer because I might miss your answer. Okay, so stay tuned, and once I get a winner, I will post it right away. So guys, like this video, thumbs up. You want to see more like it, hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.